Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y72 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to open the advanced camera settings. And here we can find the photo size option, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to keep this on 4 options. We are in form 3. Let's move to full one. So this is connected with aspect ratio. When we move back to the camera now, we can see that the camera frame has changed to the longer one and the full, of course. Another tap to the right corner to the photo size, and let's pick 16 and 9. This is kind of shorter than the full. And when we tap here once again to the photo size, we can also pick 1 and 1, the square one. And of course, when we pick the right corner button, once again we can move to photo size. You can change it to whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.